you also briefly alluded to forming. What sort of tangible changes have moved the needle in that space?
Forming, I think the one is just like tool materials, die materials.
Hmm.
Tools and dies are the same thing. Some in machining we call them tools, in forming we call them dies, right? The ones that shape the material. So again, the the development of materials. But I think in forming, one may also say that improved knowledge of materials behavior,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Strength, ductility. What does temperature do? Drops the strength. So lots of hot forming methods integrated with cold forming for producing final wrought products that have the right properties. So a lot of material science there, materials engineering, I would say, in understanding high strain rate behavior of materials, deformation of materials. That has led to improvements in forming processes. And it's, uh, of course, forming is an area, especially rolling, which is a very large process in terms of um, um, for sheet production, sheet and foil production, like your aluminum foil to sheets that go into the car body. They're all produced by rolling. It's a very entrenched process. A typical rolling line may be a kilometer long. There is scope for uh, in from the sustainability angle of making these processes. How do you reduce the energy consumption? Are there other processes that can compete with them to make sheet, wire, rod, things of that nature? But as with anything else, when you come against an entrenched process, entry is very difficult. Um we can talk all we want about sustainability, but at the end of the day, cost and reliability of the process dictates choice. Uh, if you can address those and yet have the sustainability angle covered, then you got a winner in any manufacturing process, any materials process.